Now remember, another name for f of x is y. Okay, just another way to write it. This is a function of x. F of x is a y value. All right, so it tells me that the y value f of x equal to 31. So let's take our expression 2x minus 3 and let's set it, that's actually an equation, not an expression, 2x minus 3 and set it equal to 31. And we're trying to figure out the value of x, what two values it's in between. So let's add 3 to both sides and that gives you 34, okay? So 34, let's go, you see 2 squared is 4, 2 cubed is 8, 2 to the 4th is 16, 2 to the 5th is 32. So we can stop there because 34 is going to be greater than 32. If I went one further, 2 to the 6th is 64, and 34 is in here. So x is between, let me see how they wrote that, how you get back at your question, is in between a 5 and 6.